Alright, continuing along our sheet here, we have 1 over 2 cosine squared of pi over 8 minus 1. Now that denominator looks familiar, and that is because it is the same as this cosine of 2x value. If we just make this pi over 8, that's what it is down here. So this is the same as 1 over cosine 2 pi over 8. Now, this, since cosine is in the denominator, it's reciprocal. Well, not its reciprocal, but this equals secant 2 pi over 8. Okay, the reciprocal identity. Alright, and if we multiply this in here together, we get secant pi over 4. Alright, and we know the value of that from our unit circle. That equals the square root of 2, square root of 2. Alright, because cosine pi over 4 is 1 over the square root of 2, and secant is just a reciprocal of that, so that'll be square root of 2. Now we get to move on to this last identity here. Tangent 105. Now tan 105 can be written as tan 60 plus 45, okay, because that equals 105. So now that we have that in terms of unit circle angles, we can use the tangent sum and difference identities to get an exact value. So the sum identity is tangent A plus tangent B over 1 minus tangent A tangent B. So we'll come down to our tangent of 105 and write that as tangent, we'll make 60A plus tangent 45, if 45 is B, over 1 minus tangent A tangent B. Alright, and we can simplify these by using our unit circle identities. So for tangent 60, we get the square root of 3 and for tangent 45 we get 1, and then it's 1 minus tangent 60 again is the square root of 3 times 1, or we can just write that, and now we have this expression simplified in terms of this. So good job.